The law of vacuum essentially suggests that the universe, or the divine, abhors a void. When you create space by letting go of something, whether it's a right, a possession, or even a grievance, that space must be filled. From loss to clearing. On a human level, Rama lost a kingdom, Sita lost a palace, and Bharata lost his brother's presence. But through the lens of this spiritual law, by not fighting for their rights or clinging to what was taken, they created a massive vacuum. That vacuum was filled with something higher: Dharma, universal order, immortal fame, and a deeper spiritual connection. If Rama had clung to the throne, he would have remained just another king in a long line of kings. The loss was actually an upgrade in his role in the universe. These characters weren't victims. A victim feels a loss as a hole that can't be filled. A conscious agent, like Sita or Bharata, sees the loss as a clearing. The logic is simple. You cannot receive a new gift if your hands are still tightly clenched around the old one. The impact of not accepting human gifts. Regarding Bharata, if he had accepted the human gift of the throne, which was technically legal but morally hollow, his hands would have been full. There would have been no room for the grace of ruling in Rama's name, the moral authority that made the citizens love him more, the spiritual growth he achieved in his humble cottage. The law of vacuum implies that the universe doesn't just fill the space with anything, it fills it with whatever matches the vibration of the intention behind the clearing. If you sacrifice something for a higher cause, as the text says, the vacuum fills with grace. It's a bit like modern physics. Nature won't allow a true zero-pressure void to exist for long. If you have the courage to create the zero, the infinite has room to move in. By refusing the throne, Bharata avoided the taint of a kingdom won through manipulation. Moral sovereignty. Had he taken the throne, he would have been a king looking over his shoulder, knowing the people saw him as a usurper.